Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to password protect a PDF file on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to protect your PDF file, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to install a third-party application. So open Play Store app and install this application. As you can see, I have already installed it. Just tap on open to open the application. And here you must have to do a setup. You just have to allow the files access, just allow, and here your all PDF files will appear. Now you have to select the PDF file which you want to lock. As I'm going to lock this one, so just select three dots and here look for lock option, and here's the set password. You just have to tap on it and here you have to enter password which you can remind. As I'm going to enter this one, so just enter it, and after that here you have to confirm password, then tap on OK, and that's how you can easily protect your PDF file. You just have to set your security question for extra settings, but if you have locked your PDF, now you cannot open this PDF file in any PDF reader. You must have to require your password which you have set it. So that's how you can set password protection for PDF file on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.